For nearly 1,000 years, Rome ruled the ancient world. Its armies were unmatched, its roads stretched across continents, and its culture shaped civilizations. But no empire lasts forever, and Rome was no exception. The fall of the Roman Empire was not a single event, but a slow unraveling that took centuries to unfold. Inside the empire, the foundations began to crack. Political corruption spread through the government, and Rome became unstable. Emperors rose and fell at an alarming pace, some ruling only months before being assassinated or overthrown. Confidence in leadership crumbled, and Rome's unity began to fray from within. The economy, once the engine of Rome's power, began to collapse. Heavy taxes crushed ordinary citizens. Trade slowed. Money lost value. Farms were abandoned, and even the mighty Roman army became too expensive to maintain. When an empire can no longer pay its soldiers, its borders grow weak. And beyond those borders, danger was gathering. By the 4th century, Rome's military was stretched thin across vast territory. Migrating tribes pressed from all sides: Goths, Vandals, Franks, Saxons, and the fearsome Huns sweeping in from the east. Rome increasingly relied on foreign mercenaries, warriors who fought for money instead of loyalty. The empire's defenses crumbled, and the pressure grew impossible to contain. In the year 410, the unthinkable happened. The Visigoths marched into the city of Rome and sacked it. Fire lit the night sky as temples burned and statues fell. The world's greatest superpower had been humbled. And in 476 CE, the final blow arrived. Romulus Augustulus, the last Western Roman emperor, was forced to surrender his crown. The Western Roman Empire had fallen. But Rome's fall did not bring the end of civilization. Instead, it reshaped Europe forever. As Rome collapsed, Europe splintered into small kingdoms, the early forms of nations like France, Spain, and England. Roads decayed, cities shrank, and knowledge became scarce. The era we call the Dark Ages began. And yet, out of this darkness, something new emerged. Germanic traditions blended with Roman law. Latin evolved into new languages: Italian, French, Spanish, Portuguese, and Romanian. Christianity spread across the continent, becoming a unifying force for centuries to come. Rome had fallen, but its spirit lived on. Its architecture inspired cathedrals and capitals. Its laws influenced governments. Its language shaped Europe. Even today, modern nations echo the ideals of the Roman Republic. The fall of Rome was not just the end of an empire, it was the beginning of Europe.